Well, today's part 2 of the truck upgrade. Last time we took the chrome covers off the mirror. Today we're not exactly dechroming, but we're upgrading, and that is we are going to change out the factory red taillights with new blacked out taillights, just to give the truck a better appearance. Fun fact, these taillights were $44 for two off of eBay. The mirror covers, not covers, but replacement bezels were $46 off of eBay. So I've been able to do two upgrades for cheaper than what the OEM grade door handles cost for this truck. Door handles are next, but yep, we're going to do the taillights today. Along part of the swap, I was going to be removing these little tape plugs. Just that easy. If you guys are looking for a quick upgrade, I've seen people paint these things, which I suggest not doing, because usually what happens when you paint them, if the paint's too thick, they overheat and get bubbles. But yeah, that's looking nice.
This has been a Digital 410 production.